Hey guys, Dr. Kerry here. Just going to go over the foods I was eating yesterday as well as the water intake and kind of review the day. Let's just review the day and we'll come back to the macros after. And I had espresso and some cream in the morning. That was good. And then for lunch, I had some crackers. Got these New Mary's crackers that are super seed ones. Had 12 crackers, that's one serving. 2 of the small cheeses that I've talked to you guys about in the past, 4 ounces of ham. And then a samosa, I split that with my wife, and hummus and a Greek salad. So that was pretty good. With the samosa, there was chutney. I'm gonna put that in. So sometimes I forget to put foods in. Let's just see what they recommend for chutney, if they have anything. So chutney and chutney sauce, fruit chutney. Yeah, let's go with this one. A tablespoon. I probably had 2, even 3 tablespoons of that. So let's put that in. So there's the fruit chutney. Then for dinner, I had a slice of pizza, half a cup of rice, which was left over from the day before, and this chickpea curry, chana masala. So that was really good. I didn't have 2 slices of pizza or 3. Our family bought a pizza and some chicken wings. That's right, I did have some chicken wings, but I kind of cut back on that and had some leftovers that was a little more healthy for me. Chicken wings, I had about 3 chicken wings. So let's make sure we get that in. Hot wings, 4 wings. I had 3 hot wings. So let's get that in there. Okay. And then I had a smoothie between lunch and dinner before I left work. I actually did a video on that. And I had some thick yogurt. It was like Balkan style yogurt, I think 11%. Yogurt with the smoothie. And then I had some of these Biscoff biscuits as a snack. I had 5 of them actually, which is more than I usually have later in the day. And a piece of cheesecake, 1 ounce, not very much, but an ounce of cheesecake. And that was with the lunch. So I like to separate those out, especially if I'm eating things that I don't normally eat. So let's just take a look at how I did for the day. So total consumed right here, 2344, so that was over. Protein 119, so that's getting a bit better. Fat, too much fat, so 42, so I want to cut back on that. Calories 2344, total carbs 194, 26 fiber. That smoothie is really important for the fiber, which gave me 169 carbs. So not the greatest day. You can see that the calories here were pretty high. That's not going to help as far as trying to get in better shape. So we'll go back and take a look at some of the things that need to get cut. I did have quite a bit of water yesterday, but I could have had more. So 8 glasses, yep. But I need to drink more, have it on my desk, and then be able to drink that. It's just a matter of bringing a container with me to work and then drinking that, and then having one in my bag that I can take with me if I go to the gym or that type of thing. As far as the foods go, let's look at some higher carb foods. The yogurt, 11, smoothie has 9, 27 in those 5 cookies. So if I cut back on the cookies to, let's say, 3, that would be good. Anything else that stands out here as far as fruit chutney, 17. So maybe the samosa with the chutney, not a good choice. So yeah, so those would be the ones that I would cut back on just to kind of improve on what I ate yesterday. So some food for thought. I don't know if all my calories from workouts in yet. My Apple Watch takes a day or 2 sometimes to sync, so I'll probably get a little bit more credit than is on here. I did go to the gym yesterday, and then today I went before I got to work. So that's kind of how yesterday went. Again, not the best day, but it's in the books now. and I'll be weighing myself on a daily basis just to keep an eye on my goals. The goal is to get under 192 or under. Right now I'm around 207. So we're gonna work on that over the summer here over the next 4 months. I'll give you tips as I go along and some lifestyle changes. If you want to get in better shape and get healthier, I'll be talking about that here on this channel. And if you do want to get a consultation and you're interested in some health coaching, what I'm offering is my help as a coach. And so I will just show you where to go for that. So I'm going to pull up my link, and this is it right here. Oh, I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it up on the screen. Sorry guys. Okay, here it is. So if you go to True North Coaching, the top one says free initial get fit session. That'll be with me, Coach Kerry. And then I'm going to go over with you some of the obstacles you're facing, what you want to accomplish. There's 5 questions to pre-qualify for the coaching session. So if you click on that, enter your information, you pre-qualify, then we'll set up the initial 15 or 30-minute session, be done by phone or using a video. I use Google Meet or Zoom for the calls, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Follow me here on social media, as well as my social media, as well as YouTube and TikTok, and also on Instagram. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please share your stories with me, and I'll talk to you soon.